a very beautiful environment, cool and quiet at the same time. So welcome to yet another amazing video. In case it's your very first time, you're so much welcome. Kindly consider subscribing. To my returning viewers, I appreciate you all for the love, for the support, for everything. Thank you so much for always keeping it positive. So we are during the planting season and it's been raining for a while. So I'm taking you to the farm. I want to check on the farm progress because we had already planted the crops. I'm taking you there to check on the progress so far, and I hope you will enjoy this video. Please stay tuned and let me know what you feel about the content. But in the meantime, I'm going to give you the view of the village towards the farm, and as we check on the farm progress. And behind me are my cousins, so I'm going to tag you along. Say hi.
Hi. Hi. I'm with my dog. My pet.
What is the name of your pet?
Sipo.
Sipo.
It's a very dangerous dog, in fact.
So that's
a
why
lion,
you
a lion
decided
is more
to try.
friendly. Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Most of the people living in my village are peasant farmers. You can hardly find a land that is not cultivated, no matter how small. I do understand that it's not like everybody owns large scales of land. There is that scarcity, but they always find a way, or they always find a way to minimize and cultivate, invest to ensure that their families are well fed. You are a joker. This is the farm that we came to check on. I'm going to take you along, so stick around. This is a coffee tree. You can see it has already produced some berries. And our dog is here. In most cases, we do plant yams at the edges of a land, a farm. See them? And then this is a golden berry, this one. But unfortunately, it's not yet ready. And this is our neighbor's farm there. This is a mango tree. And then we have bananas. See them? So I want to give you a 3D of this land, or rather the farm. We are during the long season of planting, so most of the crops planted during this time takes much time, up to 6 months to mature, and they also needs plenty of rain. Coffee trees here. The season is almost for the coffee. It's almost in I think in a month's time. Starting from April, we'll be harvesting coffee. See, it has lots of berries, but they ain't mature yet. see them. All right, so let me give you a 3D. Whew. Wow. Tea leaves is one of the best cash crop that is being valued here in my country, and it is being planted in large scales, mainly for export. And one fact you must know about tea farming, for those people who do tea farming, they come from the highlands, namely Kisii, from where I originate. We have the Kirinyaga part of it, we have the Nandi, and we also have the Meru side. I don't know all of them, but those are the few places I know that produces the best quality of tea. Another fact about tea farming is black fertile soil is not recommended for tea farming. And when it comes to harvesting tea, the recommended one is you only pick 2 leaves with 1 bud. More than that, they will not accept your tea at the buying center. So that you can receive. Is it to receive sunlight? But it's being hidden. Heavy winds and rain may cause this banana plant to fall, so I want to give it some support. And let me show you, whenever you have banana plants, banana stalks that already has bananas, for you to prevent them from falling, you get a branch of a tree like this one, and then you support them. And this is how we do it. Yeah. Sawa. This small portion has been isolated for only finger millet and sorghum. A section for Napier grass. You can see the cows are taken well care of. I'm really craving for cooked bananas, but apparently, yeah, let me see if this one is is mature already. Yeah, wow. This one is so good for, oh, you see this one? It is ready actually. Let me try to pull it. Ah. I'll go and get a machete. Ooh. The weeds are all over. We need to weed. The mature ones are so many, you can see them. But as it rains, they will mature very fast. How do you normally call this banana? Let me try to zoom that one. Here in my village, we call it ng'ombe. Ng'ombe in English is cow, but it doesn't mean that way. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Wow. You see? There are so many. See them? I know the lighting is not that good, but forgive me for that. And then there is that royal tree there. I'm trying to find a way so that I can give you a complete view of this banana plantation. You see? There are so many. Wow. Have you seen what I was talking on the other garden? Because of the heavy rains, see what has happened. I think this is because of the strong winds. Whoa, my goodness. I need to get this back home. Is it ready? Whoa. It will force me to come back with a machete so that I can cut, separate it from the stalk, okay? It is a bit dark in here, but let me try. That one. This one is ready, I think. Yeah. In my neighborhood, most of the people who have bananas around, we do it for home consumption because of the scarcity of lands, big lands. The main purpose of planting bananas are for home use. But if it happens that you have a lot of them in the farm, it's when that you will consider doing commercial. See? Yeah. I think this marks the end of our banana plantation, and then we have these yams. yams. I was to uproot some today for tomorrow's breakfast, but it seems the rain is coming, so I don't think whether I will manage. And then this is the sweet potatoes. For those who don't know how the potato leaves looks like, this is how they look. So the underground, they have the sweet potatoes, and then the kitchen garden on this side, it's not doing so well. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of the surrounding. There is a lot of bananas around so they don't get enough sunlight. See, they're not doing so well. The kalalu, for Jamaicans, we call it emboga here in my village. And then this plant here with some seeds. Do you see these seeds? They treat jiggers. This is a medication, traditional medication for jiggers. I don't know how we call it, but in my native we call it entobo. That is the name. Okay, and then the banana plantation, not the sweet potato plantation, extends to this end. And then this is a pumpkin plant, vegetables. Yeah, that is it. I hope you're really enjoying the video. As I told you, yams are being planted along the margin, along the edges of the garden. All right, these ones are mature, and this is a flower. This is not a yam, this is a flower. Wow. This type of a yam, yeah, this is a cocoyam. Here in my village, it will take up to 6 months, 6 good months, guys, for it to be mature. So we are still waiting for the next 3 months. It will be ready. All right. So, and on our kitchen garden, I want to show you the aftermath, how it looks after we did the weeding, uprooting the weeds from the garden. This is now the final look, and this is the spider plant, the most healthy, nutritious, and organic vegetables. I do love this when they are still young, but when they mature, they tend to be bitter. So personally, I love them when they are still young, at a tender age. And then our beans section looks like this. You know, you see, this is what happened after supporting the beans with some branches. They climb. I don't know how we call this type of beans. They will climb up to 3 meters. 3 meters of height. Okay, yeah, and they look so nice. They look so nice. See, guys, do you ever eat these leaves? these are vegetables. Apart from producing beans, we consume them as vegetables, and they are very sweet vegetables. You pick the soft ones and steam. You don't overcook them. You steam them a bit and then fry with onions and tomatoes. You will love it. You will like the vegetables I'm talking about. Then we have the kales. You see, they look very healthy. Wow. And that one, it's 2 meters long actually. Here in my village, we call this Lucina. Lucina is a traditional name. Then we have these young ones. These ones are 3 weeks old after being replanted to this place. They are really doing great. These ones. You see? It means this place is very productive. The leaves of the kales speaks loud. This place is very productive. And then this is night blackshade. Night blackshade. Night blackshade, Managu. This is night blackshade, and then we have the spider plant. We have the amaranthus here. Yeah. And then this small portion is from Irish potatoes. They are really doing great actually. Wow. Have a look at that. Looking very nice. Amazing, amazing. I'm gonna call it a day. And this marks the end of our video. I hope you've enjoyed the farm tour. Let me know on the comment section what you think about it. And then this is a section where we heap the coffee husks. You can see because of the high percentage of nitrogen in the coffee husks, actually that is manure. That's why you can see on the other side, let me try to zoom, that grass is like pale green, kind of yellow, luminous green. You cannot compare the one at the far end with this. This is green, and the other end it's luminous green. Thank you everyone. I appreciate you all. Let God bless you. Let God enrich you and protect you as always. Until the next one, bye bye, and I love you so much.